Hey everybody, it is Jer and this guy. So I want to do a video. I did a video yesterday saying that I took my profits and moved them to AZYN, I believe is the stock I moved them to. Let me get that for sure. Let me open my Alzn. I didn't say that I sold all of my waiter stock. I didn't even say I sold even most of my waiter stock. Was this a trap? Maybe. Okay, so I did a video yesterday talking about that. And I did move some of my profits over to Alzn. The reason being, if you look at waiter right now, at the stock, it's trying to find its support. Like, it had a sell-off after the earnings report. I still don't feel like it should have had a sell-off, but it feels like this happens with every earnings report for every company. And like I said, earnings shouldn't matter for a growth or turnaround company. Like, you should be focused on, are they making the right investments in the right areas? What does the future look like? How are they spending their money, not on where their earnings are currently. And this is where you can get into a great company because people sell off not realizing what they're selling off. Now then, with that being said, people sold off, and now if you look at the chart for waiter, it's trying to find support. I feel like it's going to find that support somewhere in between probably 140 and 160 to 170. In the meantime, while it's trying to find that, I took some of my profits from waiter because I have profited close to, with options and everything, more than 100%. And so, yes, I took some of that and moved it into a stock that is on an upward trend and trying to find where its resistance is. And I feel like Alzn, I covered this in a video, is going to continue to trend up some. And as it does, once it gets closer to 5, I will take profits there, and I will probably move those profits back to waiter. So this guy, why is he here? Why is he here? So that isn't actually the guy, and I feel so bad because this guy has nothing to do with this. There's a fake that is using this guy's picture on StockTwits, meme picture, instead of his own picture for whatever reason. I think I know the reason, but he shared my video and said I sold. I can't see what he said because I blocked him because I just don't want his drama. I don't want to deal with his drama. But I blocked him. And so, but for whatever reason on StockTwits, whenever someone posts about you, even if you can't see the post, it will show the responses. So I started getting notifications on StockTwits, and I said last week, I'm not going in a video. I said not to get in the drama of StockTwits, and this is why. Don't get in the drama of StockTwits. Don't get in the drama of Weeble comments. Don't get in the drama of Wall Street Bets on Reddit. Don't get in the drama of Reddit as a whole. Post what you have to say if you have something to say. Share your DD. Hopefully it's all in one place and not just scattered randomly. And find whatever it is you need to find. Find your tips. Find the DD that has pointers. Then go and research that. Whatever people are sharing about it, research it and be done. Don't get in the drama. And recently I've gone to other companies and they don't have this. Like, they don't have, like, if you go to Grub's StockTwit, like, nobody's commenting over there, and there's no need. Like, if you're an investor and you believe in your stock, or even if you're a trader and you believe in the stock you're trading, you shouldn't feel the need to comment all day, every day. And some of these people do comment all day, every day. And so anyway, this guy shared Not even that guy. I feel so bad. It's not the meme guy. Whoever's behind this handle. Like I said, don't just go all in trusting people who put the stock that they're commenting on in their handle, because either they're only in that one stock and that's all they care about, or they are paid to be there, or they're just, I hate to say it, but dumb. And maybe this guy, I don't know. I don't know. You can decide for yourself. Go look at his post. He always is posting nonsense, and then he will, whenever the stock starts going up, he starts to post like random crap that doesn't make any sense, that's just confusing. Like whenever the last time that waiters started kind of trending up, he posted about being at a card table and compared waiter to gambling. What? And this guy's supposed to be a bull for waiter, but I don't know. Like, there's probably more to this than what I even see. Like I said, his hiding behind a meme stock picture or a meme picture, and using waiter in his handle. So that says all I need to know. But anyway, he posted. From what I'm getting from the comments, he posted that my video and said that I sold all of my waiter. I didn't. And if you watch the video, you'll see that. I wouldn't have sold all my waiter, then other people made comments or whatever, which also showed that they didn't watch the video, and so I was just like, whatever. And I made a video last week talking about how I'm not going to be in the drama of all of StockTwits, and I'm not. So I've turned off notifications. Hopefully I don't get any more notifications on there. I plan on, whenever I get into stocks, posting what I have to say, leaving it at that, and not getting in all the drama. I met great people on the waiter board, and there are great people. This guy, he just when there became a problem was whenever there was some random website that used my Twitter, post, my tweet about the waiter DD report. And so they used that on their website. And then ever since then, this guy has had it out for me. He started accusing me of being someone, I don't know, someone from way before I even knew Waiter existed, and saying I was that person. And I was like, no. And then I think that's just kind of like where I'm like, no, I don't need to be in this drama. But I do need to clarify that I did not sell all of my Waiter stock, and I still believe in Waiter as a company. And I would still love to have a video call with Carl Grimstad to discuss the verticals that this company is, so we can show just how amazing it is, like everything they have going on. I think it's a great company. But I do think it's going to either drop a little more or start to trade kind of sideways from here. And that's okay. And I'm choosing to use some of my money to put it to work for me instead of just letting it sit there while it's trading sideways, doing its thing. Now then, there could be really great news and it send it skyrocketing, and I won't feel bad then because I still have Waiter stock. It could get really bad news and it just sink. Again, I don't feel totally horrible then because I don't have all of my money in Waiter stock. And some of these people have everything they have in this one stock, and I feel like they play it. If you watch Waiter, you can kind of see like a trend with the stock. If you look at the graph in the morning, it generally falls from wherever it's at, unless there's news. It falls from wherever it's at and then goes down and then kind of gradually works its way back up from there. If you play this stock, which I don't, and I feel like this guy does, then you know the trend. Like, you know that, okay, it's going to fall from here and then gradually work back up. I'll sell at the top, buy at the bottom, watch it gradually work back up. And you can do that. Whatever, it's your money. Do it. Like, it doesn't matter. And my money is my money, and I'm going to do what I need to do with it. And people can get upset, like this guy acting like he's all upset did, and so be it. I don't care. And it was kind of wrong. I mean, that was kind of a trap. I knew that this guy would probably have something to say, and sure enough, he did. It tells me he didn't really watch the video. And it kind of scares me for people because if this is what we're doing for DD, for research, then I could say anything and you would just go with it. So that's scary. Always do your own research. If somebody shares a video, watch the video, because like this guy, maybe they didn't watch it and they're just spouting off and saying whatever. So, but if I were in the waiter board, I would block this guy, and I probably wouldn't pay attention to anybody that has waiter in their handle unless they are sharing legitimate DD, like research that is proven, that has SEC filings, has press releases from the company, or you can back it up with news sources. Otherwise, just ignore it. Don't fall into the drama, because this guy will post, like, he's been in since before it went to $5, I think, like got closer to $5. And this is something else that's kind of a red flag to me, is that he says he's been in it since before 5. He stayed in it all the way up to like that 5, close to 5, and then still stayed in it whenever it dropped, and then blamed the CEO for him staying in it whenever it dropped. Okay, yeah. You decide when you get into a stock and when you get out. Nobody else can make that happen for you, and always, always, always do your own research to back up anything you see. And if somebody shares a video, watch it, because whatever their comments on the video, they may just be going off the title of the video and just making assumptions. So go watch it for yourself to find out. Okay, that's all I got. I just wanted to clarify that I did not sell a whole of my waiter stock. I'm still in it. I just took some of it and put it into Alzn while waiter tries to find its support and find where it's going to be, and it's going to trade sideways or go down a little bit until then. So I can see that. I know, I feel like that's going to happen unless there's some kind of big news, and then it could go either way. So, all right, that's all I got. Go check out this guy and look at his post and see what he says. He tells people to suck him a lot. Anybody new, basically, he attacks. So go and look at his post and see that, and understand why I blocked him, because it's out there. It's out there. But anyway, that's all I got. I love you all, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye. Mwah.